Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove BMW X5 headlights. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and a long extension for those hard-to-reach spots. A magnet tool is also incredibly helpful for catching any dropped screws. Remember to wear gloves throughout the process to protect your hands and prevent oils from transferring to any new bulbs you might be installing. Now, let's get to unfastening the headlight unit. You'll typically find 4 8mm mounting fasteners holding the headlight in place. These are usually located around the perimeter of the assembly. Gently remove any trim pieces that might be obstructing your access to these fasteners. Always use your magnet tool to ensure you don't lose any screws in the engine bay, which can be a real hassle. With the fasteners removed, it's time to disconnect and extract the headlight. Carefully unplug all electrical connectors located at the rear of the headlight assembly. Most connectors have a release tab. Gently squeeze it before pulling to avoid damage. Once all connections are free, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly straight out towards the front of your vehicle. Take your time to prevent scratching any paint or components. For reinstallation, simply reverse the steps. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect all electrical connectors, making sure each one clicks securely into place. Before fully tightening all fasteners and replacing any trim, turn on your vehicle and test all headlight functions, including high beams and turn signals, to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.